So we got a motor for the mini bike. Went and ordered a bunch of parts for it. Couple last Friday, and they came over the weekend. Got some parts for the four-wheeler too. What? That's Brody. This is my brother Daniel. These are their bikes. They decided to throw beach cruiser motors on their beach cruisers. They Amen. Amen.
Take this and lean it up.
My brain don't work sometimes. But these guys you'll be seeing a little bit more of with their bikes. But back to this. We got a torque converter. Last time I had a motor on this, it was clutch to straight chain. Decided to throw a torque converter on it this time. It is insane. Just so much torque. Big gear. Threw a straight pipe on there. We got a VM 22mm carburetor. I rejetted it. So, and then we got, I ordered valve springs, 22-pound valve springs. I'm going to be throwing those in shortly. We'll be recording a video on that. Got a riser plate. And then because the gas tank didn't fit, I welded a bar up here to mount the gas tank. And then for the torque converter to clear, I chopped this bar right here and welded in another reinforcement right here.
It might be a little easier if you take the
basket
off too.
Yeah. We're going to be making a video of ripping around later on these once they finish tuning it. But right now, we're going to take this one for a little rip.
That's where the chain obviously scratches.
Oh, please don't kill me.
Hater and baiter. Hater and baiter. For that pipe, I would use this small black hammer. Okay. Right here on the tire.
There we go. Oh. Wow! The chain came off. Why did the chain come off? I can't believe you done this. Be nice to me. I was nice to you and throw a brand new motor on you. Be nice to me. Yeah, she's back on. Oh, let's try this again. Start. Let me tell ya, my seat ain't wanting to stay. Thank you. At least you fell off in the driveway again.
Oh yeah.
But
well, it happened.
Yeah. That's the bike. We are gonna get that chain thing figured out. I do have a bolt welded on right here for a chain tensioner, but it wasn't needed at the moment, but I guess we need it now. So yeah.
Speaking of chain.